Hello everybody, Joe here and happy Tuesday. So today's video is going to be a pantry, fridge, and freezer clean out. I'm not going to clean the fridge, the freezer, or the pantry. Basically, I'm going to go through and look for anything that's expired and toss it out. So I will grab a trash bag, put it next to me, and whatever needs to get tossed will get tossed. I'm gonna turn you guys around and show you what things are looking like currently, and then we'll get it taken care of. So this is our pantry. Under the kitchen sink is where we keep this tin that has meat fat in it. And that is full and gross and needs to be dealt with. So that's going to get tossed along with everything else. And then dishwasher pods can go back there for now. But yeah, that's going to get thrown away. Let's go ahead and grab... Let's do a black trash bag. Just because I don't know how much I'm going to find. And then here's the freezer. Barely anything in it. And then here is the fridge. Once again, barely anything in it. So that is that. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go and I'm going to put you on the tripod. Today's video is a tiny tidy. It's an open collab hosted by Sunday Dawn from the Helpful Home. And as usual, I will link the playlist in the comments. So, trying to get an angle of the pantry where you guys can see. Yeah, so I will have a playlist in the comments for you to watch it, and let's get started. Here's the black trash bag with a tin of meat fat. So, I know some of this for sure is still good and it was bought recently. So that's good. So let's start all start on this shelf and work my way up. This belongs to my roommate and he wants to save it. So it's gonna come out for now while we figure this out. This is chai green tea. And it is still good. So this will stay. Now this, I'm pretty sure it's definitely gone bad. It is chocolates. Yep, 8/26/22. That's a little old. This is spiced chai. Best before. Okay, this is good till 2024, so that's still good. This is baking powder. Best if used by September 30th, 2023. So it's still good. I think these are still good. See, this is apple cider. And there's no date on it. I don't know how old it is. Okay, we're just gonna assume it's still good. It's gonna assume it's still good. This was hot cocoa mix. Once again, we're gonna call it still good. These have been in the pantry for a while, so that's gonna go. This is specialty thing, but it's still good. Wow, a lot in here is still good. I'm kind of surprised. I thought a bunch of this stuff was going to be expired. So, if you want to work on tidying something up, you're welcome to join me. These are, let's see, best before the 14th of June. So these are, yeah, I call these still good. So all the teas are still good. That's still good. This is a thing of gallon storage bags. Split. I think we're out of in the kitchen, so I'm going to what about this unopened thing of mustard? When did it expire? Best by June 11th, 2023. Okay. Well, with food, I don't risk it. I know it's the best by date, but I don't risk it. And it's like sticky, and that's gone bad. This my roommate wants to save, so it's gonna go in here. This is getting saved for now, so it's gonna go in here. in here for now. Okay. And this I'll put in when we're done, when we head to do the fridge and freezer. That oil is still good. Those are almost gone. Those are almost gone. This is, it's good until 12/30/2023. Question is, one has been opened. You don't know, I guess it's still good. So we'll leave it. Oil. Go down here. This I haven't bought in a while. I can just get new instructions when I do, so that's that. These were just bought, so they're still good. This stuff is going to be the stuff that's questionable. Best before, so this is still good. This is expires. Okay. This is expires 10/2023. This should go into the sink for cleaning, actually. This, which was got for a recipe and was only used best before. Okay, so this is, that's gone bad. This, that's old. That's bad. So that's gonna need to get washed. These, which is going to fridge now because they're gonna melt in this heat, are good until May 11th, 2023. Never mind. They're not going in the fridge. They're getting tossed. Let's see, this is used by December 28th, 24. Okay, so that's still good. And this is still good. Now, peanut butter, this one has been opened and it's good until Best by May 29th, 2023. I do not do food after its Best By date. That just grosses me out, people. You can do it if you want, but it grosses me out. Best By 29th of 2023. Well, you know what? This one is unopened, so I'll let my roommate be the judge. If he wants to do peanut butter past its Best By date, we'll all let him. But there are some things where I just will not compromise. Okay, this protein powder is still good, technically. That we just got recently, and expires 4/21/23. So this one's gone bad. So this, and then my gluten-free pasta should all still be good. Yeah, that's all still gonna be good. Okay. Baking soda is still good. So this is what it looks like. And I apologize for the weird angles. This video, because I'm doing it in real time, is like 17 minutes long. And so I'm gonna not spend long on the fridge and freezer. I'm just gonna do a quick look through and check. But some of the stuff in this pantry is almost empty, and I wanted to get this done before we do our next grocery shop, which we need to do soon. As you can see, we are low on food. So, let's take these things to the kitchen. And that bag is gonna have to stay until my roommate gets home for him to throw out, because that's gonna be too heavy for me to take care of. And just as I thought, we're almost out of gallon size bags. We're just gonna get creative with this. We don't use stuff in this drawer that much, and just stick. And there we go. So this pan. Now let's do a quick pass of the fridge and freezer, and that will be it. The eggs, I'm not sure if they're still good. Okay, that says Best by June 29th, so that's still good. This is good. Go bye-bye. That stuff is still good. That's still good. This is still good. Okay. This is we used that recently, so it's still okay. This is almost empty, and it's okay. I'll let my roommate set it because he's the one who uses it. This is still good. This is tossed. Still good. Butter is still good. That should get tossed. These, I don't know. Good. I'll make off these. Yeah, it's still good. And still good. This is supposedly still good. Okay, so that's all gonna stay. So as you can see, fridge isn't that much different. Okay. This one I have my roommate fix. Not much of that right now. Yeah, we'll just leave it. How many eggs do we have left? Oh, we still have a ton of eggs left. Okay. So only 3 things out of the fridge. And the freezer. That's all that to be tossed. This is tossed. And this is good. This is good. This is so I'm not going to decide for him. I'm going to leave it. And these are also my roommates. And they're good till that's by July 24th. Okay. So that's still good. And how freezable is this chicken? Oh, this is beyond freezable. Okay, that's gotta go. Okay. And there's the freezer. And then there's the stack of stuff that came out of the fridge and freezer. So there's the bag over in the corner. And that will be my tiny tidy. I know this video was long, but as you know if you watch my channel, I do not edit my videos. Everything I do is in real time. So I hope you like this. Please like, comment, subscribe. Check out the playlist down below. And I will see you guys next time. Bye!